Hi everyone, I'm Jam. I'm the owner of the Hero Visa Services. This time, let's talk about your appointment. Sometimes, di ba, yung appointment ma-cancel kasi may bagyo, ganyan. So, sa akin naman, yung mga team ko, sa mga client na na-cancel, yung mga team ko na ang nagre-reschedule. So, sa inyo, if kayo nag-DIY lang, so I will give you some idea how to set a new appointment. So, pag na-cancel yung appointment nyo, hindi right away in that day, pwede na kayong mag-reschedule. You need to wait after 24 hours from your original schedule sa embassy na makapag-reschedule ulit. So, for example, after 24 hours na, so lalabas na yung close and start application button, right, sa system. Pag lumabas na yung close and start application sa system, that's the time na pwede na kayong mag-reschedule. So, click close and start application, go through everything, fill out again your DS-160 number, but andun na kayo sa page na parang mag-generate ng new MRV slip. Since na-cancel naman yung appointment nyo, hindi kayo magbabayad ng visa fee ulit, okay? Hindi kayo magbabayad. What you need to do is just click claim receipt sa upper, yan siya, upper button. Sa upper page, claim receipt, click nyo lang yan, tapos generate, after maka-upper yung visa fee nyo na fully paid. Ganyan siya. So, other also scenario, nakapa-biometric na kayo and the next day na-cancel kasi nga, for example, may bagyo. So, once na-cancel yung interview schedule nyo pero naka-biometric kayo, after 24 hours, set a new schedule ulit. And yes, babalik ulit kayo sa biometrics procedure. Kasi nga, hindi naman po makakasked ng embassy schedule pag hindi also magsisked muna ng biometric appointment. So, pag na-cancel yung appointment nyo kahit sa embassy lang mismo, you still need to set a new appointment sa BFS. Kasi dapat always mauuna ang BFS, biometric appointment, at next is the embassy interview. Okay? If you have any inquiry, just message directly the Facebook page, Hero Visa Services. Alright? Thank you.